By 2025, IoT spending in the Asia-Pacific and Japan smart manufacturing sector will reach $140.6 billion. $1 billion opportunity awaits. Are you ready to be a part of this revolution? A world where production lines are more than just machines. They are intelligent, interconnected systems. That's the power of IoT integration in smart factories. Assembly robots execute intricate tasks precisely, while sensors monitor every aspect of production in real time. In fact, businesses are rapidly digitizing their production processes. Beyond speed, imagine predicting maintenance needs before a machine breaks down, or optimizing energy usage across multiple facilities and countries. We need to zoom in on the Asia-Pacific region here. Given its diversity, cross-border manufacturing faces challenges of fragmentation and isolation. Implementing a multi-domestic strategy enables you to tailor your IoT deployment to meet each country's needs, ensuring compliance with local regulations and addressing specific market demands. What works in Japan might not work in Indonesia or Australia. By adapting your approach, you can navigate regulatory differences, cultural nuances, and varying technological infrastructures. In countries with less reliable power grids, you might prioritize energy-efficient IoT devices. In areas with stricter data privacy laws, you'll need to implement more robust data localization strategies. Navigating the complexities of regional IoT deployment can be daunting, but with the right expertise, it becomes a strategic advantage. Choose a partner with a strong regional presence, deep knowledge of local operator landscapes, and an understanding of in-country regulatory requirements. As a founding member of the Bridge Alliance, Singtel brings you an ecosystem of top MNOs in the Asia-Pacific, ensuring your factories are seamlessly connected across borders. Build a robust and sustainable IoT infrastructure for your manufacturing processes with Singtel. Ready to scale your manufacturing operations in APAC,